Unlocking English phrases, understanding why you're into. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss. The phrase, why you're into. This may not be a phrase you hear every day, but it's a useful one to know, and we're going to dive deep into its meaning and how to use it in various contexts. So, let's get started. The phrase, why you're into, is a phrasal verb that can be a bit tricky to understand at first. It is made up of the verb, wire, and the preposition, into. When we think of wire, we might think of electrical cables or wiring something. However, in this phrase, wire takes on a more figurative meaning. When someone says they are going to wire into something, they generally mean that they are going to focus intently on it, put a lot of effort into it, or engage with it intensively. It can be used in various contexts, such as work, food, or any task that requires concentration and effort. Example 1. Working hard. If someone says, I need to wire into this project to get it done on time, they mean they are going to focus heavily on the project and put in the necessary effort to complete it. Example 2. Eating with enthusiasm. In a more informal setting, if someone says, I'm going to wire into this pizza, it means they are very hungry and are going to eat the pizza with a lot of enthusiasm. Now that we understand what wire into means, let's look at how to use it in sentences. Positive sentence. She's going to wire into her studies to make sure she aces the exam. Negative sentence. He's not really wiring into his work, and it's starting to show in his performance. Question. Are you going to wire into that book? Or just skim through it? And there we have it. The phrase, wire into, is all about intense focus and effort. Whether it's on a task, a meal, or anything else that requires your full attention. We hope this video has helped clear up any confusion and that you feel more confident using this phrase in your everyday English. Don't forget to practice, and see you in the next video.